Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to disable SmartScreen in Windows Defender. First, go to the bottom left corner of your screen and click on the Start menu. In the search bar, type Windows Security and then click on the Windows Security app from the results. This will open the main security dashboard of your computer. Now, on the left panel, click on the option called App and Browser Control. This is the section where you can manage SmartScreen settings for different types of content. Under the Reputation-Based Protection section, click on the link that says Reputation-Based Protection Settings. This will open a new page where you can see all SmartScreen options. Here, you will find several toggle switches. The first one is for checking apps and files. This controls whether SmartScreen should scan files and apps that you open on your computer. If you want to disable it, click the toggle switch to turn it off. The next option is for SmartScreen for Microsoft Edge. This setting checks websites and downloads in the Edge browser. If you do not want SmartScreen to interfere while browsing, you can turn this switch off as well. Another option is for SmartScreen for Microsoft Store apps. This checks apps that you install from the Microsoft Store. To fully disable SmartScreen, turn this switch off too. Once you have turned off all the SmartScreen options, close the Windows Security window. The changes are applied immediately. SmartScreen is now disabled and Windows Defender will not block apps, files, or websites based on SmartScreen filters. Thanks for watching.